Let's see how we can download the latest Eclipse version on our Windows 11 system. First, go to this URL. You can click on the link in the description below. And after this page is open, click on this download button. Now this page will open up. You will see this option that will say Eclipse IDE 2023.12 is now available. Now you can click on this. This might be removed when you are here, so you can just click on this also. It's the same thing. And now finally click on this download button. And now your download will start. As you can see here, your Eclipse is now downloading. Now you can just scroll down, and if you want, you can just click on any amount and support them. Finally, our Eclipse has been downloaded. Now you can click on open file, or just go to your downloads directory and double click to open your installer. So as you can see, the installer is now opening. Now you will see this option that will show you a list of options according to your use case. So you can click on anything here, but for now I'll just click on Eclipse for Java developers because this is the most common one and I will be using this to develop Java. So click on this, and this is the Java that will be used, Java 21, and this is the folder where Eclipse will be installed. Now I'll leave this as it is and click on install. Finally, our IDE is installed. Now click on launch and Eclipse will open. So this is where your projects will be saved by default. I'll not change it. You can change it by clicking on browse if you want. Now click on launch. So finally, our IDE is open. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.